What's up everybody, hope you're all doing great. In the next few minutes I'll do a quick price prediction and price analysis on Mana against USDT on Binance. As always, most volume is traded on this pair on Binance, so I think this is the most reliable. Mana has seen a very big gain. Let me grab it with me. A gain of like 600% in like a few days, so that was massive. It kind of came around the time that Mark Zuckerberg announced the metaverse and the name change to Meta, so it might have had something to do with that. But it's also a very good project. Sorry for my speech. Decentraland is, and it is very deflationary. If you're looking at the tokenomics, so that would make it, in my opinion, a very good long-term investment. I think it's around 4 billion market cap now. Again, a reason why it could still go tenfold, to be honest, in my opinion. Maybe not tomorrow, maybe not in a week, maybe not in a month, but in a few years' time we could see that. So that's a good long-term investment, in my opinion. So I do think that what we have reached right here at around the 3.618 of this fib, I believe, I do think this is the top. I don't think from where we are right now we can create another all-time high anytime soon. I think we're going into a small consolidation and accumulation. We might actually reach the 4.0 again, but all-time highs are definitely not coming. As you can see right now, price has touched a very strong support. A lot of fibs coming together, strong fibs as well, at around, what is this, 2.35. And before making this analysis, price was right here and it had already dropped. So yeah, there's no trade to be taken anymore from this area, in my opinion, or not a very safe trade. Although this is not financial advice at all. This is just my opinion on where the price will go. So please understand that. But I was looking at this area and was thinking, well, this could be a nice trade, but it's too late now. Although it might bounce off of it more often, but I think for now we're going up. And I think from where we are right now, we could find resistance either at 3.0. I think that's the biggest chance. But as I said, we can also go a little bit higher, maybe even to 3.4 as a resistance, which I've drawn there. And I think from there on, we are going into a small consolidation, possibly between this 2.35 and 3, to be honest. So that would be around this. And this does not necessarily have to happen, but I also wanted to like include the scenario that it does break through 2.33, which might happen. I mean, that happens more often. If prices move up with such a lot, they might go into a consolidation a little bit higher and then drop down and consolidate even lower or accumulate. And after that, we are going to be seeing a huge bull run, in my opinion at least, but that could take a couple of weeks, maybe even months. Maybe this was it for Mana in this year's bull run. Just trying to be realistic. So we could see that. It doesn't necessarily have to happen, but if it does break through this 2.35, we can see a nice break retest. And I do think this next support here around a little bit lower than 2.0, so anywhere between 1.8 and 1.91, 1.9. I mean, if the price does reach that, that would be a very good buy area in my opinion. But as I said, I'm not sure if it is going to reach that. The price could also do something like this, and then accumulate until we have the next bull run, just to show you. So yeah, basically I think that's what's next for Decentraland. So short-term bullishness, I still think, but not all-time highs. If you have any questions about this analysis, please let me know down in the comments and I'll make sure to respond to that as soon as possible. As for now, thank you all for watching and listening, and I hope to see you in my next videos. Bye.